2. Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of this tutorial series. Remember to go check out the person I took this tutorial from, Oliver Kilaton, Kilaton, who got it from Beginning Visual Basic 2015 by Brian Newsome. I'm doing a worded version or talking version while he just did all music. So here we left off, everything was selected, and I just kind of ended it because I didn't want to look like an idiot. So if you do have everything selected, what you do is you right click and then do select, form hello user, and then it'll deselect everything else. So anyways, we're going to make this look a little prettier. So we're going to bring this up and see the purple line snap. So now we're going to select both of them, format, center and form horizontally. Now they're horizontally centered. Format, center and form horizontally. Format, center and form horizontally. I can't talk. So there we go. This is basic, just makes it look nice. So now we want to code to make it do what we want it to do. So alright, here is the code. So to get to the code part, what we have to do is you double click whatever you want. You can double click the label, the text box, the button, the form, whatever you want. So we're going to double click the button. Double click it and it'll come up. Now, since I kind of messed up last episode, it looks like this, but you should only have one. It should just say button OK click right here. You can see button OK click. So first we need to create a variable. Well, you don't have to, but I'm going to. So how you do that is you dim. I don't know why it's dim. It seems kind of dumb to me, but that's just me. So dim and space name. We're going to call this variable name. That's going to be the name of this variable. So you enter a couple times because I like to separate my variables from the actual code. Right now it's underlined in green because I'm actually not referring to it anywhere. I'm not using it. And so it's like, well, save a little bit of memory if we're not going to use it. So next you do name equals, and we're assigning this txt name dot text. You can just hit enter and it'll go. You could probably put this part up here, but I just want to show you in case you want to reassign a variable in line. That's what you can do. So next you do label output, because that is the label that we want to output it to. We do dot text equals quotation marks hello space quotation marks space ampersand space name space ampersand space quotation marks exclamation mark space welcome to Visual Studio 2017. And there you go. So now if we save it and run it, it'll take a second. So now it's prompting me for my name, Mason. Hit OK, and it says, "Hello, Mason. Welcome to Visual Studio 2017." Exit. Nothing happens. So you can either hit this little stop button up here or just hit the X. I usually just hit the X. So you're probably thinking, well, here, if I run it, I'll be thinking, hello user, welcome to Visual Studio 2017. Well, that kind of ruins the surprise thing, right? So to fix that, we're going to double click on the form, and we see it says form hello user underscore load. So when it loads, this is what's going to, like, the code that it's going to run. I just heard Siri go off. What the heck? Okay. I don't mean to hit that. Don't do that. Don't hit a bunch of zeros. So what we want to do is label output dot text equals quotation marks, and that'll clear it. So if we start it, see, it's not there anymore. Like, the label is still there, it just doesn't have any text. So if we type in Mason, Alt O, hello Mason, welcome to Visual Studio. So there we go. So next I'm going to code the exit button, just because it's kind of annoying me. So button exit click, I'm going to do just close in parentheses, because it's technically a function. So now, if we save and start, Mason, hello Mason, welcome to Visual Studio, exit, and it'll close. But, so in the tutorial, you can be done if you want. There you go, you got your app. In the tutorial that Oliver did, he created a message box, and a message box is a little pop-up that you get. And how you do that is in the button OK, click, you do message box dot show parentheses, and you type, hello space ampersand name ampersand welcome to Visual Studio 2017. And then what you have to do is you do comma and space quotation marks greetings. You can really put in whatever you want here. So now if we save it and run it, take a second. Mason, okay, and see it comes up. I did this last time too. This is a message box. Hello Mason, welcome to Visual Studio 2017. I don't know what just happened. But anyways, there's prompting you to click OK, and that comma greetings is right here. It's like the little name of the form, or of the message box. Click OK, and here it is here, exit, and there you go. I think the debugger crashed or something. It's kind of funny. But anyways, how to fix that little, how there wasn't a space, you just put a space right there. And now, if, probably should have saved it. Mason, Alt O, hello Mason, hi, welcome to the studio, Alt X, oh, because I didn't. Okay, for exit, for the text, you want to do E ampersand X. Sorry, I missed that. Now, save it and run it. Mason, okay, hi, Alt X, it'll go. You can change like the background color, and you do that here. Back color, say we want it kind of like a dark gray, kind of feeling like that. I want it a little darker, dark gray. We can do the fore color right here. We'll have that be white, and you can change the font. Let's have it Sitka small, bold, and 14. There we go. And then for the form, let's have background color of white, and this text, we don't want sans serif. It's stupid text. We'll do 10. There we go. So you may have to center it in the form again. So format, center and form. This does take a while. Center and form. These should be fine. Yep. Okay. So there you go. You have your Hello User application. Come up, enter your name. We'll do Steve, and hit Alt O. Hello, Steve. You can do, Julie. Click the button, and you can hit exit. And so that is how you create the Hello User application. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you hopefully in another tutorial.